Chapter 1 A Little Surprise. My name is Emma. I live in a small town with my mom and dad. One morning I walked to the park. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. It was a beautiful day. Suddenly I heard a soft sound. Woof, woof! I looked around and saw a small puppy under a tree. He was white with brown ears. He looked sad and scared. "Oh no, are you lost?" I asked. The puppy wagged his tail, but did not move. Chapter 2 A New Friend. I sat next to the puppy. "It's okay, I will help you," I said. I gave him some water from my bottle. He drank it quickly. "You are so cute. But where is your home?" I asked. I looked for a collar, but he did not have one. I decided to take him home. "Mom, look, I found a puppy in the park," I said. My mom smiled. "Oh, he is lovely, but we must find his owner." Chapter 3 The Happy Ending. We made a sign. Lost. "Puppy, call us," and put it near the park. The next day, a little boy called. "That is my puppy. His name is Charlie," he said. The boy came to our house. When Charlie saw him, he jumped and barked happily. "Charlie, I missed you," the boy said. I felt happy, but also a little sad. "Goodbye, Charlie," I said. The boy smiled. "Thank you for helping him." That day, I learned something special. Kindness makes the world a better place.